The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, BMP280 sensor, connecting cable and connecting wires. This is our program. Here we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Now we can upload the program. For that, go to this drop down. Here the port is already selected. Click on that. Here we are going to select the board. We are using ESP32 board. So select the model as ESP32 DOV module. Click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now go to serial monitor and press the enable button in the ESP32 board. Here you will get the IP address. Now copy this IP address and paste in the web browser. And here we can check the output.